all right. Welcome back to part two of my egg rolls episode. Right now I'm finna try this and see how it tastes. Just how I like it. Pretty crispy. I can taste the shrimp, the onions, and all that good stuff. It's a hit, man. I'll give it a 9 out of a 10. All right. I do owe y'all apology for just laying the camera down, but I'm gonna show you how this other egg roll is supposed to be done. All right. So it been close to 8 minutes. I prefer if you cook them in a deep fryer, the higher the time, the less time that they're supposed to get cooked. All right, it's baby golden brown. Just want to sit it on the grease, but don't sit it on the grease. I'm sorry, just sit it on a napkin and let it cool down. Let the grease drain off the egg roll onto the napkin. I'll say 10 minutes, depending on if you're hungry. You can eat it now if you like, but don't burn yourself. And just take a look at it. So I'm going to get out of here for now. Tomorrow, I will be doing a dessert. All right, and I do appreciate y'all stopping by. Make sure you like and subscribe to my page and leave a comment on how you think my egg rolls look. Um, I do appreciate it. Once again, thanks a lot.